Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can set the percentage on which the battery saver will be activated. So I mean, like when your battery percent reaches like 20, automatically your battery saver will be activated, which will make it use the less power so that you can increase the time that you'll be using your computer. So let's start by going to settings. You click on settings, you go to system right here. So now you have to go down to battery. You wait a little bit. So now, as you can see, there is battery saver, and here there is the percentage. Here there is turn battery saver on automatically at. Here you will set the percentage that you want. For example, let me set it at 30%. So every time when my battery is at 30%, the battery saver will automatically be activated. And here when you check this box, it means that you will lower the screen brightness while in battery saver so that it can use the less power. And also what you can do here, you can see the apps that are using much power on your computer in last 24 hours or a week. So for me, as you can see, it is Google Chrome because I use it on internet, Netflix, Camtasia, the one is while editing. So this is what I wanted to show you, how you can set the percentage at which the battery saver will go on. So thank you for watching. Please like this video, share and comment down below, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.